What's the best way to make as much as humanly possible with affiliate marketing? Well, that's by stacking multiple products on each other to help a customer get a result. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how in this video, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can clone my exact same system that has made me over $2 million. Let's get into it. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Exactly 2 years ago, I quit my 9-to-5 job to go all in with my online business, and I actually started my business in May of 2019, and I quit my job in March of 2020. So if you want to know exactly how you can quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now in this training, I'm going to show you exactly how we can make multiple commissions by stacking multiple affiliate products, but more importantly, how can we help a customer get the result that they want? Because at the end of the day, we're not just trying to shove products down people's throats. The main goal when we're stacking affiliate products is helping a customer go from point A to point B, basically from an unhappy person to a result that they truly want. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do that in this video. Let's get it. All right, so step number one is we need to figure out the main problem that our customer has. Do they want to lose weight? Do they want a better marriage? Do they want to quit their 9-to-5 job? Do they want to learn cryptocurrency and quit their job? What is their main problem? This is super, super important, because if you don't know the main problem you're trying to solve, it's going to be difficult for you as the affiliate marketer to help that person get that result. Okay, so we got to figure out the main core problem. Okay, and I'm going to give you guys examples, but the main thing that I help people with is I help people quit their 9-to-5 job. So my main solution is helping them go from point A to point B. Another example, right? If the main core problem you're trying to solve is an unhealthy person getting to a healthy person, then you can help them in between, right? And I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. But that's step number one, is you gotta figure out exactly who we're trying to help and exactly how we can help them. All right, guys, so step number two is we got to figure out the customer journey, right? I mentioned from point A to point B, but now we got to figure out what is that journey that they need to take to get that result. Now, as I mentioned in step one, is we got to figure out who we're serving and their actual problem. But now we got to figure out, okay, how can we get them from point A to point B? Let me show you how. Alrighty, guys, so here's an example of step number one, right? So remember, we're trying to identify who we're trying to serve, but more importantly, the main result that they want. Okay, so here's an example of someone that, let's just say they're in a bad marriage and they want a happy marriage, right? That's point A to point B. Another example, right? A 9-to-5er, right? Who wants to get out of their job, right? So I'm gonna put quit 9-to-5. What we can do is we can figure out, okay, what's point A, right? Someone that is not happy, they're stuck in something, and then point B is the result that they want, right? Another one is maybe they're skinny, right? And they want to be buff, right? Or something like that, right? They want to build muscle, right? So we got to figure out who we're trying to serve in step one. But step two, we got to figure out the journey that they need to take. Okay, obviously we know that it's not just going to be a simple journey, right? They're going to have a bunch of ups and downs and peaks to get to that main result. Okay, we got to figure this out, and this is all part of the journey. A person, you know, from point A to point B. Okay, now I'm going to take the example of bad marriage to a good marriage, right? And guys, I'm not a relationship coach at all, but I just want to show you guys the thought process if I were to do this, right? If I were to help someone get from point A to point B, okay? So maybe you go find a marriage coach that has an affiliate program, or a marriage course that has an affiliate program, right? And that could be step number one for this person's journey, okay? And obviously as an affiliate, right? You send someone to an affiliate product and you get a commission, right? That's how affiliate marketing works, all right? Next part is maybe they need a gym membership, right? Maybe they need to work on themselves. Okay, next step, maybe they want a counselor. Maybe they want a coach, right? Now we find someone that has an affiliate product or referral program. We can send that to them and we get a kickback. Now remember, as the affiliate marketer, we don't have to fulfill on any of this, right? We just send people to someone else's products and we just get a commission, right? That's the beauty. Now, the next step is, again, maybe they need some self-development books, marriage counseling books. Literally, you can go to Amazon.com. We can find books, become an affiliate marketer of those books. And again, we get a commission. Now, you start thinking about this in a different way, right? Now, it's not like, oh, I'm not just sending random products so I can make money. No, these are the things that people actually need to get. The core result is they want a happy marriage. That's point A to point B, right? Another example, right? If someone is trying to build muscle, right? So maybe they need a health course or something like that, right? Could be step number one, could be a health course. Again, they're probably gonna need a gym membership. They're probably gonna need meal prep. They're probably gonna need supplements, right? Supplements, okay? So now you can start thinking about it, and it's like, oh, okay, so now I could find a health course product that's an affiliate product I could sign up for. I could find a meal prep company I can become an affiliate for, a supplement company. And now you start building this ecosystem, guys, and that's where it becomes extremely powerful. So now that we figured out how we can get the customer from point A to point B, step number 3 is all about building the ecosystem, guys. This is where it gets fun, right? Now we figure out what's the exact products and how can we build our ecosystem to start making money. Now I'm going to show you an example of my affiliate stacking ecosystem and how I've helped over 30,000 students build this from the ground up and even quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Let me show you. All right, everyone. So here's an example of the affiliate stacking ecosystem. That way it makes more sense, right? So we figured out the map right here. Okay. We figured out the map of the journey they're going to take. But now we can put it all together, right? And I'll show you an example of what I do, okay, personally. So my main offer is the core result, right? So this is my main course, my main thing that's going to help them get that core result, right? For me, I help people leave their 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom, okay? Remember, we're trying to get them from point A to point B, but you're going to need tools, you're going to need things to help you along that journey, right? So one of the offers is ClickFunnels, right? Or System.io or a funnel builder, right? What happens is you start adding this ecosystem, you put it together. Now it's going to actually help someone instead of just sending people random products, right? We're thinking about the core result that that person wants, and we're helping them on this journey, right? Now it's a win-win-win because now we're giving them products that they actually need, but for us, we make money on the back end, right? We're not only making money on this main core offer, but we're making money on all the supporting offers on the back end, right? So an example of me is, you know, they need a funnel builder, step number 1. Step number 2, maybe they need an email autoresponder, right? So I'm gonna put email autoresponder, and then maybe they need an SEO tool or something like that, right? And we can kind of go down the rabbit hole and figure out what does this person actually need to get them the result that they want. And this is why the affiliate stacking ecosystem is so powerful, because you're actually helping someone get a core result, right? Now, of course, while we're doing that, I'm building this email list, right? This is literally the most important thing with my business, because now I could build this email list and promote multiple products. Okay. Now I can send an email to these products where I can then, you know, make more money with the multiple products that I'm selling. Now, this is exactly how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job as an affiliate marketer. I figured out who exactly am I going to help, who am I going to serve, but more importantly, how can I get them from point A to point B? Honestly, it took me a while to kind of build this out, to figure out what are the products I'm going to promote? How am I going to get them that result? But the cool thing about the affiliate stacking ecosystem is you can literally help them in any niche, right? Relationships, health, cryptocurrency, you know, help people in the affiliate marketing niche, e-commerce. You could help anyone out with the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, what I've done for my students is I've literally let them copy my exact same system, right? I give them my affiliate stacking ecosystem so they can use it as their own. Now, the reason I do this is so you can get results as fast as possible, right? Because honestly, you can build this out on your own. You can literally go out, take everything I taught you in this video and do this on your own, but it's going to take you a little bit more time. So what I like to do is give my students everything they need today to get started with the affiliate stacking ecosystem. But more importantly, I like to give them the skills that they need to do this again and again and again with multiple products. So if you are interested in cloning my exact same system that has made me over $2 million, helped me quit my 9-to-5 job, and I've helped thousands of others do the same thing, then I want to invite you to my challenge where I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, but more importantly, how you can clone the exact same system. Now, I'm going to leave a link to that challenge down below where you can copy my exact same system, but more importantly, learn the skills so you can do this for yourself again and again and again. And the goal of this challenge is to help you leave the 9-to-5 job and go all in with your online business so I can help you achieve financial and time freedom. Remember, I practice what I preach. So that's exactly what I'm doing as well. I want to help you get from point A to point B. So do me a favor and comment freedom down below if this video was of any value at all, guys. I really hope that this could help you get from point A to point B. And if you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.